If you're hiking around Northern Virginia on some of the trails or down in some of the stream valleys, you may have noticed that the trails are drying up more quickly after a rain event. A lot of that is a function of the Save the Bay program that is managing the stormwater before it leaves these construction sites. We're not overwhelming the stormwater system. As part of the Save the Chesapeake Bay Watershed Act, builders are required to manage the stormwater that leaves their site. And the way that we do that is by slowing it down. In a rain event, you don't want all the water to leave the site. You want to have on-site storage. So what I'm going to show you today is what that looks like. So what you'll see here is all the downspouts are collected into a sort of on-site stormwater system. They go into a pipe that runs around the perimeter of the house. Once all the downspouts are collected into that pipe system that runs around the house, it needs to be stored on site. So what you're seeing here is where the storage system consists of three 48-inch diameter pipes that will hold the water on site with a small orifice that allows it to leach out slowly after the rain event. While the stormwater management process that we go through is pretty extensive, I have read reports that the water quality in the Chesapeake Bay has improved. I do believe that the efforts that we're putting forth are paying dividends.